Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you the new feature in the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is S10 Plus. Gonna be available as well on the S10e. Alright, and of course on the Note 10. And of course this feature is known as super steady video. And of course, as you can see here, if you launch the camera, and all you gotta do is just go over to video. So if you're in picture mode, simply slide over and go to video, and you'll notice the feature right here. It's the third icon from the top. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Right here, it's the third icon with the hand with the waves at both sides. And all you gotta do to turn on the feature is simply tap. It will say on, tap again, and it's off. And of course, this is different from the regular stabilization, video stabilization. This one is more intense. And let me just show you what I mean. All right, let's say you're taking a video in cases where your hands are shaking or you're running behind a subject and you realize that the video is very wobbly. So for example, you're walking with a natural movement. Even if you're trying to keep your hands steady, the video will be wobbly. Notice the video feed right here showing you the video. Now check it out with stabilization on, and it will make the video super smooth even with a lot of shaking. There you go, it's on now. Check it out, and you're seeing less bounce, you're seeing less jitter, and of course this is as a result of the new video feature, and that is called the stabilization. And of course I'm just going to show you again. All right, so the feature is on, very stable, off. Notice the jitter and the bounce, and of course this is with the image stabilization off. Let me turn it on. Notice you have less bounce. Even with a lot of shaking, notice that the video isn't moving. Right, this is very impressive. Notice that everything stays in focus. The jitter is and movement is very smooth. When you have actual movement, it keeps everything stable. And I'm moving my hand a lot, and you're seeing that the image is remaining stable because, of course, of the image stabilization. Check out the same video once more. That's off now. Notice how the picture is bouncing around. Alright, so I could be running and recording with this feature, and of course I'll have much smoother video. Alright, same with the video on. There you go, I could be running behind a target and actually recording, and it will be very stable even with a lot of hand movement. And of course it's a very welcome feature, so of course I recommend that you guys just go ahead and get this feature. In order to get the feature, in case you don't have it, simply just go ahead and make sure you update your device, the September 2019 update. So just go to settings, scroll down, software update, download and install. And of course, once you have the September 1st update, it will give you all of these features. So I see September 1st 2019, and of course it gave a massive update to the camera with a lot of new features. And of course guys, I highly recommend that you update to get this feature on the Note 10 or even the S10. Alright guys, Ricardo Ganda from Blog Tech Tips, showing you the image stabilization, the super image stabilization. It's a great feature you can check out on the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the Note 10. This is Ricardo Ganda saying bye until next time. Bye.